Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be repotting my Sansevieria Katana. As you can see, my Katana has already produced 2 healthy pups. They grew so strong that they actually broke through the pot. That's a clear sign it's time for a bigger home. Let's start by carefully removing the plant. Since the pot is already broken, I'll cut it open to free the roots without harming the pups. Always handle Sansevierias gently when repotting, because even though they're hardy plants, their new growth can be delicate. Now that it's out, let's prepare the new pot. I'm putting a piece of paper at the bottom to temporarily cover the drainage holes. This prevents the soil from falling out while the plant settles in, and over time the paper will naturally decompose. For the soil mix, I'm using a combination of garden soil, rice hulls, vermicast, and some compost. This blend gives the plant good drainage, aeration, and nutrients. Remember, Sansevierias don't like soggy soil, so a well-draining mix is very important. Okay, time to pot this beauty, but it looks like the entire plant won't fit in the new pot. So, I'll have to separate the larger pup. The good news is that it already has its own roots, which means it's ready to survive on its own. Separating pups is also a great way to propagate your plant and grow your collection. Now I'll position the mother plant in the center, fill in around it with the soil mix, and gently press down to secure it. Then I'll do the same for the separated pup and make sure not to compact the soil too much, roots still need air to breathe. And there we have it, repotting complete. Both the mother plant and the pup now have space to grow and thrive. A quick aftercare tip: wait a few days before watering your Sansevieria after repotting. This allows the roots to heal from any cuts or damage. Place them in bright, indirect light, and they'll continue to grow beautifully. Thank you so much for watching.